So hello students, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel Creative Minds. Now in this video yet another shortcut trick, very cool shortcut trick we will be discussing in this video, that is trick to calculate vapor pressure of the solution. Now almost all the students know the basic formulas and the basic method to approach this type of problems. See, we all know this formula: vapor pressure of the solution is equal to XA P naught A plus XB P naught B. Whereas what is this XA and XB? We all know it. It is mole fraction of A and mole fraction of B. And what is this P naught A and P naught B? It is vapor pressure of the solute and solvent in the pure state. Pure state, that we have to keep in mind whenever you come across P naught, okay, then it means pure state. All right, now this is the general formula, general method, but in this video I am going to discuss with you a very cool trick with which you can solve the problems related to vapor pressure within few seconds. All right, so let us move on. See, I have taken the first problem. Focus on the first problem. We have two volatile liquids, the A and B. The vapor pressure of A is 140 mm and B is 160 mm. Okay, now they have given moles of the solution, 4 mole and 4 mole. It means both the solution, both the liquid have same mole in its solution. Now the question is, calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. They are asking us to calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. See, they have given a vapor pressure 140 mm Hg and 160 mm, and moles also they have given. We have equal moles. Now what we have to do, instead of using and substituting in this formula and calculating, just very simple, take the average of this both. How to take average? 140 plus 160 divided by 2. This is how you take the average, right? Just add and divide by 2. 140 plus 160, 300 by 2. Therefore you got 150. Now listen to me carefully. As they have given equal moles, if they had given some different moles, then the procedure is different. But as you can see that they have given 4 moles and 4 moles. The moles of solution A and B are same. Therefore the answer will be what you have got, the average itself. Whatever be the average you get, that will be your answer. We got the average 150, so the answer is 150. See, they might give the values different here. Whatever the value you give, just take the average. How to take the average? Add and divide by 2. Simple. Very in a quick manner you can solve this type of problems. Now let us move on to the next model. Again we have two volatile liquid A and B. Vapor pressure in the pure state, it's 140 mm and 160 mm Hg, similar to the above case. But here comes the different, and here comes the concept. See, the moles in the solution they have given different. Here 2 moles and 6 mole. The mole of A is 2 and 6 moles of B they have given, and they are asking us to calculate the vapor pressure. See, first step is common. Just take the average. 150 plus 160 divided by 2. How much we got here? 150, right? So write 150 here. Now focus whatever I am saying carefully. Whichever quantities has greater mole, okay, whichever quantities has greater mole, focus on its vapor pressure. It means whichever is dominant in this 2 moles and 6 moles. Which is dominant? 6 moles, right? So of course 6 moles is dominant. Therefore focus on 160 mm and 150. The answer will be lying between 150 and 160 itself. Look at the option. 160 and 150, between which option lies? 145? No. 150? No. 155, right? So 155 is your answer. Very simple trick. Whichever quantity is dominant, whosever quantity is dominant, compare that's vapor pressure with your answer. The answer will be lying between that both quantities. That's all. Got my point? Very simple. No need to get tensed. Whichever has dominant value, the answer will be lying between that two quantities. Next, let us discuss another problem. Again, we have two volatile liquid A and B, whose vapor pressure is 140 mm and 160 mm Hg. Moles they have given now 6 mole and 2 mole. Now tell me again, whether 6 mole is dominant and or 2 mole is dominant. Obviously 6 mole is dominant, right? So focus on this vapor pressure. Now take the average. How to take the average? 140 plus 160. Again the same values. So what we got? 150, right? So write 150. Now what I told you, whosever mole is dominant, focus on its vapor pressure. Now whatever the average you have taken, the answer will be lying between these two quantities itself, 150 and 140. Between 140 and 150, 145 lies, so 145 is your answer. Okay, so simple. In just few seconds, just by looking at the problem, okay, just by looking at the problem, you can solve it and you can take it. Instead of using this formula, substituting mole fraction, then vapor pressure, adding, multiplying, it might take some time, but if you go on solving this method, just a little more practice. After the practice, just by looking at these problems, you can solve easily within few seconds. All right, what to do? Just take the average and see who's molar dominant, and take the average, take the middle number as your answer. That will be your answer. See, another important thing I'm telling you, this type of models, whenever they are asked in previous year question, same type of options they'll be giving you. Okay, few variations like 115, 155, 145, 150, very close options they'll be giving you, so easily you can identify the correct option. All right, now hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, because it motivates me to make more such videos for you guys, more such amazing cool shortcut tricks for you. Okay, so like the video, share with your friends, and hit the subscribe button. So thanks a lot. Thank you very much.